Ooh, treasure map.
Indiana Jones treasure.
Oh.
Nolan Ryan. Don't think it's a actual signed baseball.
It's like printed on or something?
Yeah, it's a print on. It's a home run ball from the Astros 2003.
Neat stuff.
2002 Twins. There's all the stats on there.
Okay, that's fun.
And,
Ooh, treasure map.
Indiana Jones treasure map.
Indiana Jones treasure map. That's fun.
The Indiana Jones little cap gun.
And Indiana Jones's coconuts.
And the cap goes there. Actually, it's Davy Crockett's gun.
Ah, wow. Coconuts right and left. Uh-oh.
Note journal. Look at that.
Oh, nice.
Leather bound.
That's really nice.
Not used.
I think there's something in there. I'm going to open it.
Another one.
Open that one.
There's another one.
There's a plane ticket, a boarding pass to go to British Isles, somewhere. What? That's a lot of journals. Are you
Quite a
kidding
lot
me?
of these, yeah.
Oh, there's a little bit. There's a little bit of stuff in here.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh my goodness.
Lord of the Rings.
that?
Yeah,
What
that's
is
nice.
that? Oh wow. So that's like another journal?
Yes.
Lord of the Rings journal. That's neat.
There it is.
Wow. What do we have here?
Hey, what is that?
Is it a canteen?
It opens, doesn't it?
I think it does. Wow.
A horn for black powder?
Is that what that is?
Could be.
Oh, that's cool. I like it. That's cool.
Yeah.
Put that in the cool pile.
That's pretty nice.
And now for box number 2. Oh. Huh. This is somebody's family tree. Oh, it's from Adam and Eve. Huh. This is cool.
Wow.
What in the world? Oh, I love that. All the way down to Jesus. That is neat. That's really cool. I've never seen something like this. Aw. That's so cool. What's that?
It's the Adam and Eve family tree wall chart.
Yeah.
Keep up with that.
Alright. A little bit of damage on it. Huh. Yeah, there's damage on it. Okay, these are kind of interesting. Oh,
Oh,
that's somebody's actual drawing. Like that's an original.
yeah.
That's kind of good. What did we find here?
As soon as you said cashola.
That's all you gotta do is
Popped
say,
up.
you just gotta say cashola and then it appears.
Wow.
I like cashola.
Dollars. $50.
Wow.
Susan B. Anthony's. Dinar from foreign countries. This is nicely kept
Ooh,
here.
neat.
Yeah. So Canadian here. These old dimes and nickels. Oh, steel penny. Check it out. Ooh, $50. This is sweet.
Yeah, that is sweet for sure. That's awesome. This is our first time finding coins, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like this.
What do we have here?
I haven't the slightest, but I like it.
It's Ireland.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Dutchland,
Really neat.
Japan, China, right?
Yeah.
Japan, China.
Okay.
Wow. Wow. This is so cool. Oh, what?
Civil War Confederate note. It's a $10 note.
Is that real?
It's dated February 17th, 1864. Nose in good condition. Sharp corner scans well. Highly collectible note.
Step into history with a $10 Confederate note. Minted in the mid-19th century, these elusive bills bear the image of a youthful Robert M.T. Hunter. He's a symbol of the Confederacy's economic resilience amidst war. Printed on crisp cotton paper, the note's intricate details whisper tales of a bygone era. And though they're no longer legal tender, their value in the collector's world is immeasurable. Welcome to the fascinating world of historic currency.
That's incredible. Let me look at that. That's incredible. That's cool. I like that. What's special about this dollar? Ooh, look at that. What's in here? Oh, okay.
What do you got?
I got more stuff. Wow. This is neat. This is neat stuff. Wow. That's something. And that is also something. And that.
That looks Russian.
These are cool.
Yeah.
Wow. So that's a flippin' good find, huh?
Yes, it is.
Are you in the way of the camera, dude? Yeah, that was good. Box number 3. Woohoo! What do we have here? What do we have here? That is interesting. Okay.
It's a yarn box.
I think that would be perfect for Kelvin's garage sale. Absolutely perfect. So. What do we have? Oh, wow, those are kind of pretty. Those are pretty.
Yeah, they are.
And then a couple posts that actually might be gold. This might be gold. It might be a diamond there.
Maybe.
Diamond studs. And wait, there's another one. Those might be, I think those might be diamond studs there. And then there's other little studs. Let me get you. Come to me, you stud. Oh, those are cute. Little semi-precious stone. Yeah, these are good. I like these. Uh-oh. What's that? It looks like costume jewelry. These other ones look real. All right. Yep, keep looking. Is that what it said?
Looking it up.
Oh, looking up, of course. That's pretty ugly, if you ask me.
Yeah, it is. What's the name on there?
I don't know. Can you see? I mean, it's kind of falling apart and it's really ugly.
Nope.
I mean, this jewelry box, I guess, could be cleaned out and then sold maybe at the yard sale as a jewelry box. I don't know. Calvin can decide if he wants to deal with that, but this little box has some nice stuff in it. Okay, so let's see. Did you want to put the rest of these? Did you want to put this? I mean, oh yeah, I was going to use this for my artwork. That's right. I need these. I can even use this for my artwork probably. No, it says Universal Studios. I won't use that for my artwork here.
Yeah.
Toss that. What is this? I could use that in my artwork. I will have to post a picture of my artwork so people can know.